smoke curling in the sky. Blessed thought set me free. A floating leaf upon the sea. A floating leaf upon the sea. A floating leaf upon the sea. Echoes bounce in the open air. Words like waves crashing everywhere. Roots dig deep, but I still climb. Lost in thought, but I find my rhyme. Blessed thought rising high, like smoke curling in the sky. Blessed thought set me free. A floating leaf upon the sea. A floating leaf upon the sea. A floating leaf upon the sea.
The ocean speaks in waves tonight. Moonlight whispers in its flight. Sand beneath my feet so warm. Nature hums its quiet storm. Commander of my soul, my way, leading me where I won't stray. Oh, Commander, hear my call. Catch me if I start to fall. Stars above, they guide my pace. Every shadow leaves a trace. Roots grow deep where stories lie. The earth is calling, I reply. Yeah. Oh, the winds they howl, they cry. Lift me up, let me fly. Commander dub rolls deep, it leads the way. A riddle wrapped in bass and brass. It loops, it dips, it comes to pass.
Secret guide, footsteps heavy on the earth they tread. Sky whispers stories to the trees, a chant carried by the ocean breeze. The world hums low and the words unsaid. Fire on clouds, fire on trees, burning high, breaking at the sea. Fire on clouds, let it ignite. Light the dark, chase the night. Rain falls soft, but the roots run deep. A rhythm in the ground that never sleeps. The heartbeat of the land keeps time. Shadows stretch, but the light won't fade. Through the haze, a new path is made. The echo of hope climbs and climbs. Fire on clouds, fire on dreams, burning high, breaking at the sea. Fire on clouds, let it ignite.
Ashes falling like a silver rain. I breathe it in, I feel no pain. Ishence blaze, it lifts me higher, burning true, the soul's desire. Ishence blaze, a righteous fire, keeps the spirit from growing tired. The rhythm moves like a rolling tide, pushing forward where the secrets hide. A whisper rides on the dub's embrace, guiding me to a sacred space. Echoes bounce, the sound won't fade. Roots grow deep where the dub is made. Ishence blaze, it lifts me higher, burning true, the soul's desire. Ishence blaze, a righteous fire, keeps the spirit from growing tired. Through the echoes of the drum and bass, I find myself in a timeless place. Shadows dance, but the light remains. In the Ishence blaze, I break my chain.
Chains on the mind, not the hands, they say. Freedom's a shadow slipping away. What's the price of truth in a world so gray? Mental slavery breaking me down, breaking me, spinning around. Mental slavery, let me be free. Let me be, let me be, let me break.
the sea's so wide, pulling the waves like a lover's tide. The stars wink down, but they can't hide. Night whisper secrets I can't confide. Moon over me. Shine down, set me free. Moon over me. Guide me endlessly. Clouds roll slow like a rhythm sway. The ocean hums in its own reggae. Time slips by in a dub delay, but the moon keeps watch till break of day. Moon over me. Shine down, set me free. Moon over me. Guide me endlessly. Echoes of dreams in the silver glow. A melody only the moon can show. Soft as the breeze that makes palm trees bow. Moon, you're the rhythm I'll always follow. Moon over me. Shine down, set me free. Moon over me. Guide me endlessly. Mystic smoke, it climbs so high, reaching fingers to the sky. Whisper secrets through the air. Every breath, it takes me there. Mystic smoke, wrap me up, don't let me choke. Flowing slow like time forgot. Mystic smoke is all I've got. Ashes dance like fire's gold. Flicker shadows coast to coast. Golden clouds in amber haze. Set the rhythm, set the blaze. Hold me steady, don't let go. The world is spinning, soft and slow. Mystic sacred story. Fleeting glimpses, fading glory. It's a dream that loves to tease, here then gone, like island breeze. whisper truths no one can hear. Salt in the air, sharp as a tear. Sand grips my feet like it knows my name. The sea's got a soul and it plays no game. Soul sea calling me, where the tide runs wild and free. Soul sea, set me loose. In your rhythm I find my truth. Clouds paint shadows on the blue-green floor. Every ripple hides a secret more. The breeze laughs slow like it's in on the joke, while my heart beats deep like a drum stroke. The current hums the spirits drive. Pass the chalice round and round. Lift it up, don't let it touch the ground. Fire burns and the rhythm sound. Pass the chalice round and round. Raindrops fall, but the flame won't die. Ancient whispers in the evening sky. The drum beat tells of stories untold, a journey carved in green and gold. One breath for peace, one breath for truth. One breath for love to heal the youth. Pass the chalice round and round. Lift it up, don't let it touch the ground. Fire burns and the rhythm sound. Pass the chalice round and round. The lion watches the moon's soft glow. The river hums with the life it knows. We chant together, we plant the seed. The roots of freedom, the song we need. Pass the chalice round and round. Lift it up, don't let it touch the ground. Fire burns and the rhythm sound. Pass the chalice round and